Hi there, Melody from WTI. This STRICH digital piano keyboard with stand from the Macedon Music Store is the exact piano that every beginner needs. It comes with everything that you need, including headphones, an instruction booklet, and even an adjustable stand to go according to your height. I also love that it has this little strap, so it's going to keep the piano in place on this little stand should you wish it. Or if you want to move it around to somewhere else, like on a table, you just remove the strap and it has these little feet that it can sit on. And now that you're all set to play, let's have a little bit of fun. It comes with all sorts of pre-recorded sounds on here. Just listen. One step, one button to record your song, and you can play it back to yourself or your teacher. And I also love the fact that it has a volume. This semi-weighted 88 keyboard is perfect to use along with the sustain pedal. Listen to the difference. With 900 sounds, 700 rhythms, portable, it is the perfect piano for beginners. And that's my point of view.